afternoon mga kaibigan. Welcome back to my channel. So sa hapong ito guys, we're here at Narvacan, Ilocos Sur. You can see here the bridge. And dito yung sea. Daan tayo guys. We're going to the Arco. So yung Narvacan is one of the municipalities of Ilocos Sur. Dito yung other way going out, going to other municipalities. At pupunta tayo dito guys sa may Arco. They have also their photo shoots here. May wedding photo shoot guys. So you can see here the mountain. Wow, maraming mga bikers, maraming nasa dagat guys. May mga kainan rin dito. At pupunta tayo sa may Arco. Daan tayo guys. Going to the Arco. We're going to may photo shoot dito guys. Kaya tayo. At pupunta tayo sa may wow, view deck. Dito yung Arco, kainan dati dito sa baba pero ngayon wala pa. Then this is the mountain. At makikita rin dito yung dagat guys. Daming tao, marami nagbabike. May photoshoot rin dito sa baba. May mga nagbabike pa dito guys. They're having some drinks here. Maraming nag-mountain hiking. Mahirap daw daanan guys. So pag nasa taas ka dito sa may view deck, kita yung dagat. So fresh guys. Shoot pa sa check natin yung, so this is the bridge guys. Tingnan natin yung nagpo-photoshoot. Cancel yata. So nagpo-photoshoot, nagme-makeup siya. So if you're new in my channel, don't forget to share, to subscribe, like, comment below guys, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Ganda dito guys, kahit mainit, malamig, lakas ng hangin. So maraming pwedeng pasyalan dito sa Ilocos, and one of these is sa may building sa may Arco. Dahil sa COVID, nakaklose muna ito guys. Take a look guys before we go home. Ganda, no? Ganda ng view. Paalam guys, God bless.